Yes, Priyanka, first of all, thank you. Thank you for being part of this community. It's great to have you here, and I've seen you growing basically, from starting from scratch, wherein you always lack that confidence and, you're
Yes,
not sure whether this is going
yes,
to
ma'am.
work out or not. And today, seeing you here, wherein you have already achieved a lot, it gives me immense pleasure to have you here. And thank you for being here.
Me too, ma'am. Only because of this platform and guidance given by you and Krupali, ma'am, I can do so much of things.
Awesome.
And my confidence increased approaching the people. Everything has been changed.
That's
And also, I started my business. I'm very
that's
happy
awesome.
that
Yes.
I
So
also contributed some amount to the charity out of my earnings.
beautiful.
And always having the dream like I want to take some face products. I always aiming for Ayurvedic products itself. But I want to purchase out of my earnings. I don't want to depend on So
That's
out
a
of this, the
beautiful
last
thing.
month I purchased even that also.
So that's a beautiful thing. As in, when you feel confident about yourself, when you start loving yourself, and when you become financially independent, the
Yes.
essence of life absolutely changes.
Yes, ma'am. It's making me so much of happiness, giving happiness, ma'am. And
Absolutely. And
dreaming
you
more
will
and
start
more,
being
aiming
more
for.
present in the family.
Yes, ma'am. As you always say, this cannot be done alone. It's true, ma'am. All because of this, your group, everything, you and Krupali ma'am group, everything, ma'am.
Thank
This
you.
can
Thank
be
you so
happen.
much. So yes, Priyanka, let's go ahead and going ahead with, I would like to ask you few questions.
Yes, ma'am.
As in, when you started, okay,
Yes,
when
ma'am.
you started, what was your thought process? क्या doubts थे कि या क्या डर था? You must be like, as we start something new, we all have that doubt, questions.
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes,
was
ma'am.
your thought process during that time?
I was in dilemma, ma'am. As they will say, I will give the support. We will be there for you. You can ask doubts and all. Everything we will be there for. But some of them only because till we register, they will be with us. Or after that, and I was in dilemma, ma'am. But after I speaking with you, Tech took the chance and I got registered, ma'am. After attending the inner circle meetings, only, ma'am, my confidence increased. Ma'am, so many of them are talking, sharing their things, everything, man. It's fearless, as we be alone in the house. We need some people to talk with them, go around, and it makes us so much of difference in us, ma'am. As it is a I am into some one organization, ma'am, so I'm feeling very happy.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yes, it's like, if we are alone, we get lost in our day-to-day work or day-to-day responsibilities. But it's only when we have a group or a
Yes, ma'am.
community, we will,
Yes, ma'am.
have that motivation that, okay, everyone is doing and even I should go ahead and do it.
Yes, ma'am. And that monthly HOF, everything, it makes us to push ourselves to, yes, we should get our name this month, like that.
Absolutely.
Something, ma'am, out of the household work, we are doing some other different work and meet in a group, we are there. So I'm happy, ma'am, that like every day you're taking care of us. Like when in an organization, as if we are going to office, it's like that.
Absolutely. I would try even more to make it more like a family soon. And I'm working
Yeah,
towards
ma'am.
that. And
It's much needed, ma'am.
each one of you are a very important part of this family. So thank you so much, Priyanka, for this. And yes, so as you started, like, with this journey, I understand, like, you got motivation with through the inner circle call, community and all. But still, there must be few challenges that you faced in this journey.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just let us know, like, 2 to 3 challenges that you faced and it made you doubt whether you are on correct path or not?
Uh, Frankly speaking, that we had the gap for inner circle meeting for more than 1 week, 1 month, I think so.
Yes.
That made me say, ma'am told that we will be having the meetings and all. That made me forget all my this thing, negative thoughts, everything, ma'am. Attending the class and yes, ma'am is there. If I go wrong, ma'am will correct it and all. Well, like I had that, but when we had the gap, so. at that time I faced like feeling lost, ma'am. Actually, I
Exactly.
supposed to message you on that day only. You messaged us today. We will be having the inner circle meeting. We need someone to share everything. Like we want to talk with others. Like being in a house, not only the we can't manage everything, ma'am. We have to go out of this, meet the people, everything we have to do. Then only our mindset will change, ma'am.
Absolutely.
That
Connection is our, I can say, asset, basically. If we are able to connect with more and more people, we are building ourselves more.
yes, ma'am.
So, yes.
What yes, ma'am. What will not get here that we are getting from your organization, ma'am.
No, no,
Everything
it's
can
a
be shared.
combined thing
Everything
wherein
can be.
I'm just being a part of guidance, but you all coming up with new and new things is making me strive more to give you better. So thank you and all, for that. And going ahead, tell me like, where do you see yourself in next 5 years? I know this at what speed you're growing, and it's tremendously, motivating for others also. So I want to tell like what vision you have for yourself in next 5 years.
As always, you say in the meeting that corporates have to meet the corporates and all. I have to have the bulk orders and meet the corporates and have the bulk orders, ma'am. I should really see the changes, transition in me, ma'am.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And we wish you and you as a business growing tremendously, not only as a business, but even as a personal
Yes, ma'am.
personality, you also are transforming. And I see the confidence even, while talking, because like before, whenever we used to have in a circle call, even the asking doubt used to be, something hesitant. So thank you so much. And I'm loving it the way you're growing. And I'll make sure that, I'm here every inner circle call to motivate and help you all grow. So, yes, Priyanka, any message you want to share for the new comers or the new beginners who are just starting up with this journey?
This is the right platform to grow, ma'am. Having you is we are blessed, ma'am. Krupali, ma'am, support everything, ma'am. Each and everyone when they are posting their doubts, everything, even we will come to know that. And everyone are like a family. We are growing, ma'am. We are helping each other. When you are not the time to reply, the like others will reply to that solution. Everything, like it is nice, ma'am.
Yes,
Happy that when I have a changeover. And
absolutely,
Fridays I will be
absolutely.
waiting for Friday evening meeting everyone. I much needed for in my life, ma'am. Is much
Exactly.
needed.
It's like, yes, so we'll make sure. And yes, so all newcomers, if you really want to go far, make sure that you are a part of community. If you want to go, super fast, you may go alone, but trust me, if you're in community, you will never lose yourself. So make sure to join the community, whichever coach you resonate with. But yes, make sure to be in a part of community. Thank you so much, Priyanka. It was super inspiring. And yes, we even have our inner circle call today. So make sure to be there. Yes, anything else you would like to share?
Thanks for this opportunity, ma'am. This is my first time, lifetime first time, ma'am, in my
I
life.
even look forward to have you on stage wherein I am,
Yes, ma'am, I'm
with
dreaming
you
for
as
that.
well very soon. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for this. If you too are looking forward to join a community of thriving resin artists, grow together, create your own identity, as well as gain the financial freedom, well, I think this is the perfect platform for you. Just DM me webinar and I'll share the link for my upcoming webinar wherein you will understand the complete fundamentals of resin from where to start, what are the steps that you need to take forward to start your journey. And at the end of the webinar, I'll even be giving you a chance to be part of my community so that we can work together and together grow ahead. So I'm looking forward helping you, guiding you, and growing together. Thank you so much.